Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare or Modern Warfare 2.0 is having fetching online profile or data error and how we can fix this up. So let's move to the workaround. So if you're for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. So the first step is all about you have to reboot the game as well as your device. For that, first thing, just exit from the game, and once you're done with this, just close everything, and even you can try with exiting from the Steam as well. Once you click over here at the top, go for exit, and that means you're completely gone out from the Steam. And once you're done with this everything, go over here in the start, click on this icon, go for restart. After done with the restart, try to open the Steam again. It is going to take a bit of time for loading. Once it is successfully loaded, try to play the game and you can see the differences. If it's not working, move to the next one. That is all about you have to check the internet connection. So internet connection is quite important when you wanted to play the game like Modern Warfare. So it is quite important as well. So you have to make sure if you're on Wi-Fi, you have to make sure you're having good internet connection, as well as if you're on any having Wi-Fi and you have a doubt, then try connecting the LAN directly to the PC or laptop. Then you can see the differences, and you have to make sure that all the thing is you have to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. Next one is all about you have to update the game. So for that, like I always used to say, you have to make a few changes in the setting, which is just click on the game, go over here in the properties, now go to updates. Over here, as you can see, we have three options. There, always keep this game updated, only update this game when I launch it, high priority. So my request is keep this to always keep this game updated. So in the background, the game will be updating whenever the necessary updates are rolling out, and you're good to go with that. Once the game is updated, try to play the game. So updating the game as well as restarting the device has worked for many of the users. Next one is all about you have to verify integrity of game file. For that, just click over here. Now go to properties. Now go over here in the local files. Now click on verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time because the game is around 66.64 GB. So any files are corrupted and any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be completely fixed by this particular step, and this is what you have to do. Next one is all about you have to reinstall the Warzone. So first thing, you have to uninstall it. For that, just click over here, go to manage, click on uninstall option, and the game will be uninstalled. And when you're trying to reinstalling back, it should not be on the same drive it is already installed. For example, I'll show you. In my case, as you can see, I'm having only local to C. So imagine that in a case you are having multiple local disk and you uninstall the game from C. So when you're reinstalling back, it should be on D, E or F, etc. It should not be on C. So try another local disk, and once you're done with this, try to play the game and you can see the differences. And these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out when you're having Call of Duty online fetching profile or data error, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.